Hey, finding parking is always difficult around this area. It took me 15 minutes to find a parking. It's raining now, it's cold, but at least I'm just about 20, probably 100 meters away, not really 20, 100 meters away from Nikon Australia. Those spots now available. I just grab my car quickly. Alright, so I made it. I've got this parking spot just right in front of Nikon Australia. Let's roll, buddy. Alright, so we're going to level 5 now. How you going, man? Going to Nikon. Yeah, she's it. I'm here to see Erica.
Erica.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get her for you.
Nikon Z creators coming out. I'm here with Erica right now from Nikon Australia. So it's awesome. You guys, if you already joined, I hope you're gonna love it. Right, but I'm here to pick up the Z bodies right there. And there's about 15, 16 bodies. There's enough for every attendees. And I'm just in the Nikon head office right now. So we're gonna kick ass. Ready to roll, 16 camera bodies. Alright guys, it's all happening. I'm packed up and ready to go. Today is the day. So, I'll tell you what I got. There's so much logistic here. It's a lot of logistics. Main bags has got a couple of bodies, and this is my own personal bag that I'm going to carry with me. So I've got the Nikon Z6. I'm using Nikon Z50 as well, the one that I'm recording right now. I've got a couple of lenses in case I want to show them which lenses do what sort of like, you know, different looks kind of thing. I've got a speed light. I'm not going to use it, but I might use it if I need to do the group shots of the attendees. I might or might not bring my tripod because I've got 15 people to take care of. I don't want to load myself with extra logistics. Now, so there's my camping table down here as well. So we've got somewhere to lay down all those bodies. There's 16 bodies for 15 attendees, and the one left over for the bodies, so we're gonna use it for behind the scene kind of shoot. And this is just another bag, right? So there's a lot to carry. Parking though, it's gonna be challenging because it's only like 2p for the parking. So I will have to renew the parking every 2 hours, which is gonna be a pain because I'm gonna be there 1 hour before it starts. So we'll see. We'll pull it off. We're gonna have fun for sure. Let's rock it.
Flight 527 ready for departure.
And we got everything lined up, set up. We got Hisu. I love his work, man, this guy. And Kevin is also a good photographer. So we're gonna start the walk. Also, if you have to set up your tripod, you know, when we have the line on the side of the road, make sure you don't block the public pathways and all that. Right, so we're gonna start walking from that side and gradually go down the Lavender Bay and take it from there. Okay, cool. Let's do it. fireworks going on. Alright fellas, we wrap things up. Me, Kevin, Hisu. It's been a great night. I think it went pretty well. I think so. Hey guys, Future G right here. I'm so sorry Kevin and Hisu did say something, but they wasn't recorded because the battery died. The walk went well, that went pretty well. We've been receiving feedback, positive feedback, which is great. So thank you so much for submitting those feedback. My aim when I was doing the walk for those attendees was basically to make sure every one of them learn something, have value out of it, and have some takeaway so they can improve their photography after the walk as well. So thanks a lot for the attendees. Thank you so much for Nikon Australia. Thank you Hisu and Kevin. If you guys are watching, I'm gonna link Instagrams of Hisu's and Kevin's down below so you guys can check them out. They're great photographers themselves. Now to close off this vlog, I'm gonna show you some photos that were taken from Sydney Harbour. The photos weren't taken during the walk at night, but they're all been taken from the same exact locations when I took those people out for the walk in Sydney Harbour. So check them out. Hopefully that inspires you to go out, take photos, learn, be creative, and have something that sparks your passion and make you happy. Okay guys, I gotta get out of here. Stop talking. Thanks a lot for everyone's involved. Keep making this world a better place, as always. Peace.
Every